PNP General Secretary has responded to recent comments by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, who urged Jamaicans to choose a leader with a proven track record.
When you have something that is life and death, like you have a surgery to do, and you go to find a doctor, you're not going to simply take a recommendation for your doctor. You have your country to run. You have the doctor who has performed, who has shown you what he can do. And then, with the most illogical reasoning, you say, sure, we don't go with the doctor. We have a proven track record. We are going to go with the doctor where you don't know. Eh? What kind of reason is that?
We all know that if you are going to choose a doctor, one of the first thing that you want to know is that your doctor is registered and certified. I could never get up to choose a doctor that the Medical Council of Jamaica has not certified to say yes, it can go. We have to apply each year to be certified. Our Prime Minister has not been certified for 4 years. So if we're going to choose a leader of the country, we're choosing Mark Jefferson because he's certified.